Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler and it's train time. Well, I'm in the small town of Remington, Virginia. Population probably a little over 1,000 now. And back in 1839, the Stone and Bowen families owned the land here that it sits on. And over the years it's changed its name, but back in 1890 it changed its name finally to the town it is now, Remington, Virginia. And legend has it the reason they named it Remington was a favorite railroad engineer, and his name was Captain Remington. So that's how it got its name, and we should see a lot of fast trains moving through here today.